I'll walk you through the 3-minute setup for Walmart Pay, including how to secure your wallet with biometrics and add backup payment methods. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Walmart app from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your existing account or create a new one. Upon login, you may see a prompt for Walmart Passkeys. Tap Create Passkeys. This links your account to your phone's internal security like Face ID or your device PIN, meaning you'll never have to remember your Walmart password again when paying at the register. You can store multiple cards in your digital wallet, including credit, debit, and even EBT. Here's how. Tap Account in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap Wallet, usually located between Addresses and Communication. Tap Add New Payment Method. Enter your card details manually. If you have the Capital One Walmart Rewards card, link it here to ensure you get your 5% cashback automatically. To store a gift card, tap Gift Card, enter the card number and the PIN found under the silver scratch-off on physical cards, and give it a nickname. This balance will be used first before charging your primary card. To make checkout instant, you want to enable biometric so you don't have to type a 4-digit PIN every time. Go to Account, then tap Security. For Walmart Pay, toggle on Face ID for iOS or Biometric Unlock on Android. Now, the app will only require a glance or a fingerprint to authorize a payment, which is much faster and more secure than a physical card. When you're ready to pay at a self-checkout or a manned register, finish scanning your items and tap the green Pay button on the register screen. Open your Walmart app and tap Walmart Pay or use the shortcut icon on your home screen. The camera will open, aim it at the QR code displayed on the credit card terminal. Your phone will vibrate, the register will chime, and you're done. The best part about this setup? You never have to worry about losing a paper receipt again. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.